Riri nĩrĩo irima rĩrĩa Tob Cohen onekete thutha wa kwagwo thikũ 40 kuuma rĩrĩa mwarĩ wa nyina augire nĩ orite. Guku ni Kitusuru, mucii gwa Tob Cohen na Sarah Wairimu, ũrĩa ũkoretwo ahingĩrĩtwo thutha wa kũũra kwa mũthuri wake. No mũthĩ maabitha a ũthuthuria mauga gĩkuũ gĩa Cohen kiumanĩte na kũũragĩrwo gwake nyũmba na kuga kwĩna ekwĩrwo erĩ maikĩtio ngono.
He was bowed, legs, hands at the neck before he was murdered. And then they hit him. We can call it an underground water tank because we thought it a septic tank, but it is not.
Family yake yugĩte makoretwo makĩmwetha kwa ihinda rĩraya na kuonekana gwake ũmũthĩ nĩ gũkũmahe thayũ na kũrĩa maabitha rũhonge rwa thitango cia mũingĩ mahingũrĩre thitango mutumia wake.
I did see his body. It's terrible. I don't know what the word is, but it was with ropes and I don't know what. I'll spare you all. I don't know what to say. What do you want me to say?
But without the help and also the help of the Dutch police and your police, we would not have come this far. Yeah, and so quick. We are, in that respect, we are very sad, but also very, very grateful.
On the night he was murdered, I talked to him from 9:45 to after 10. He never hid the fact that if anything happens to him, if he is found dead anywhere, Sarah, his wife, would be responsible.
We have 2 suspects so far, and we are going to arrest more. Anybody who was involved in this, meaning gruesome murder, all of them, I can assure you, we shall not leave a single one, but there are more who are involved, not only.
No mwena wake Wairimu kũhĩtũkĩra wakiri wake Phillip Murgor augite hena nganja ũrĩa mwĩrĩ wake wonekete, akiuga maragĩrĩirwo gũkorwo mucii gwa Cohen hamwe na maabitha a borithi hĩndĩ ya gwetha mwĩrĩ ũcio, no mũthĩ metirwo orĩrĩ maabitha a borithi mekuonete mwĩrĩ ũcio.
So we rushed here and we found the police already working in the corner by themselves, without Wairimu, without us.
We don't move with the defense wherever we go, investigating. We go on dragging them or wherever we are going. We have no obligation of that kind. We don't.
You ask those people how they have been so certain that he has been dead or is dead. Mr. Kinoti knew even before it was opened. It was Tob Cohen. So maybe you'll ask him how he knew.
Kwa ihinda rĩrĩ mutumia wa mũtigaire Sarah Wairimu ahingĩrĩtwo therũ agĩeterera gũthimwo hakiri nĩguo ahingũrĩrwo thitango. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo mwĩtereri wa Wangari.